Hello viewer, let's see how to fix Google Message keeps crashing or Google Message keeps stopping problem. Open your phone setting, scroll down and find out apps. Tap on apps. Now search Google Message app. Go to Google Message app. Now scroll down and click on Google Message Storage. Now from here, clear cache data from the lower right corner. Now go back. Now tap on Force Stop from the lower right corner. Now click OK. Now go back to your home screen. Now open Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search Google Message. Tap on Google Message. Now scroll down and check if you are beta tester. We all know beta version has an experimental version of any kind of application and may it have some issue. So if you experience your Google Message keeps stopping or keeps crashing, please leave from the beta version. So tap on leave